the 6 pieces to be pointy at the ends, each side. And then make sure it's even. And then put it here for now. And keep going. And when you have your 6 pieces, you put the tips together on one side and smash it. And then put it in front of you. Spread it like that, even. And then take these 2 and cross them. And this one, put it down. And then the one that's below here comes up, and then this one comes down. The one that's below here comes up, and then this one comes down. And then you keep going in that pattern until you get to the end here. And when you get to here, you push everything together and roll it. And that's how you make challah.